Welcome to Bono Hair, a wholesale women and men's toupee manufacturer and supplier from China. You can rely on us. We could supply wholesale wigs and hairpieces with best wigs and men's hairpiece cost. With our very own hair factory based in the beautiful coastal city of Qingdao, situated between Beijing and Shanghai, we have been a human hair system supplier for over 10 years. The benefits of working with Hairpiece Factory. For wholesalers and distributors. Looking for a reliable and trusted human hair toupee manufacturer? Partner with our Hairpiece Factory to grow your business. Competitive wholesale toupee price, consistent quality, stable supply. For salon owners. Want to satisfy your clients? At Bono Hair Hairpiece Factory, one of human hair wig manufacturers, we love to exceed your expectations. Flexible customization, on-time delivery, quality assurance. For new businesses. Don't know how to start a new hair replacement system business? As a professional hairpiece factory, Bono Hair will support you in implementing a successful strategy. Professional consultation, wide range of products, wholesale hairpieces price. Contact with your reliable men and women's hairpiece factory now by visiting bonohair.com.